During the 30 years in the industry, Planet has over 2 decades of experience in developing innovative PoE injector hubs. For existing networks that are expanding their network connection with PoE function, but limited due to the capability of the existing switch, Planet PoE Managed Injector Hub can easily connect to a non-PoE switch to provide complete PoE functionality without replacing the existing switch or reconfiguring the network. And it benefits from Intelligent PoE Management features to enhance the overall network operation efficiency and maintenance, such as utilizing PoE scheduling to help save power for your network sustainability, while also reducing carbon emissions from the network devices. Network infrastructures of all scales can be upgraded with the PoE Managed Injector Hubs. Planet PoE Injector Hub solution is a powerful and efficient way to implement intelligent PoE in all networks. To learn more about Planet PoE Managed Injector Hub, visit our website or follow us on social media for the latest news and updates.
Planet Technology is your trustworthy partner.